Morning, y'all. So today's Saturday. I don't know what that was all about, but today's Saturday and I'm getting ready for my daughter's birthday party. So we're having a little party for her. She's turning 7, a socially distanced party. We are doing it in the park, that way we could have all the space and, you know, be as socially distanced as we can be. Anyway, so I'm just getting ready, gonna throw on some makeup. It's like 7 o'clock for me. That is early on a Saturday, because on Saturdays I sleep in. I kind of want a chunky necklace to wear with this. I feel like it would look better. I don't know.
I hate that with emails. I never know how to find stuff.
I did my brows with my Fenty pencil that I always use. This one. And I'm gonna use my brow wax. Where is it? This stuff. It's amazing. I love it. Keeps your brows in place. Yeah, anyways, she's turning 7, which is crazy. Like, what? How did this happen? Alright, so I'm gonna spray my face with this spray first before I do my foundation, because I really want my makeup to last all day today. So, and then I'm gonna apply foundation, and then we're gonna spray it again. Today is a NARS type of day, the NARS soft matte complete type of day. This is the foundation that lasts the longest on me, like it's literally clutch. So I'm gonna use this today because it's gonna stay all day, period. Yeah. I put my hair back in a ponytail, but this bump right here is so annoying. It's one of my tracks that is sticking up, and I'm gonna pretend like it's not, oh, it's not like too bad, but I can see it. I'm gonna pretend like I don't see it though, because I can't get rid of it because it's a track. But this is the only hairstyle I could do that looks decent, because my hair needs to come out and I have not had the time to take it out. I'm annoyed at this point. Like, I really just want this out of my head, but I literally don't have time to take it out because I've been so busy between like my full-time job and filming and kids and everything. This was a really busy week. So yeah, I even wanted to get my hair braided yesterday, but I couldn't even do that because I didn't take it out yet. So it's, you know, low-key I want to just pay someone to take it out, but I don't even know where I could go to do that. Like, I feel like, you know, I don't even know who I could pay. Yeah.
Maybe the phone is not good. It's not primary. Slow from the phone.
You think it needs ink?
Maybe, or
I'm gonna use this powder. This is the Krylon Powder. I'm gonna use this to set my face.
Only thing we need to do though is we need to make the goodie bags.
Yeah, that.
They're in the car. My
camera was overheating a bit. I don't know why. It's been doing that a lot lately and it's really annoying. But it was overheated. And I think I was talking to Johnny before that. But anyways, I'm almost done getting ready. I'm gonna do my all-nighter powder over my forehead. And I'm also gonna put it like under my eye. Just help that area stay matte. This is from Urban Decay. Really good stuff. Just put some like right here. I get pretty oily here sometimes. And I'm gonna wear a mask. I wanna make sure under my mask everything looks good. I am wearing my Kaja blush from my Sephora sale haul. I showed it to you guys in the haul. It's this little trio here and I've been obsessed. It's so good. It's from the brand Kaja, which is right here. Oh, I didn't show y'all. I did my nails. Oh my gosh. So this is what my nails look like. I've been obsessed, okay, with this color green, this mint color, sage, whatever you want to call it. I've been obsessed with it. I have it on my nails. I've purchased multiple outfits, multiple pieces of clothing, in this color lately. I've just been really into it. Like, I see it and I'm just like, ooh, I love you. So I'm gonna do mascara. It's one of the colors that they're definitely like really pushing this season, and I'm here for it. Okay, like, I love the color. And I've never really been a green person, but this color has my heart. I'm basically done. I'm gonna throw on this Fenty gloss, which is one of my favorites now. And her two new colors are definitely like, oh my gosh, I love them. And it says they're limited edition on the site, so I recommend you go pick it up. Why are they limited edition? These are the most beautiful colors ever. All right, so I'm gonna spray my face again with this spray. We're gonna spray again. Am I done? I think I'm done. All right, so makeup is done. This sponge was really good. This is from Japanesque and it was really good. I love the texture of it. So yeah, definitely. So I did love that. All right, so I'm gonna put some lotion on. I'm using this moisturizer, my favorite. It is so good. That's how much I use of it. Like, this is a record for me. I don't think you understand. I don't ever go through moisturizers like that because I'm an ashy queen. I don't know, I belong to the ashy lady society or something. I don't know what shoe I'm gonna wear. Johnny's back there doing the goodie bags right now because we didn't do that yet. And we're gonna go get the cake. So I decided to put on this headband because I felt like it looked better because my little bump was showing, and I really like the headband. I feel like it looks really nice and like classy. So I really like this headband. It's from Amazon, y'all. It came in a pack of like 4 or 5 and it was like $20, I think. So yeah, really cute, really cute. This is from Zara. This is from Zara. These are from American Eagle. I'm wearing these. These are the Golden Goose in the gray color. And the back has silver. So yeah, I'm wearing these shoes. I just packed my bag. I figured I would show you guys what I'm bringing with me. It is a never full type of day. This Louis Vuitton never full. I bring this bag when I want to bring the whole world with me. So anyways, I'm bringing my camera because I want to take really nice pictures of Callie and her friends and the family pictures. So I brought that. I can't find a cover to this lens, which is so bad, but yes, coming like this. Did I bring a battery? I also forgot to put the battery in here. That would have been really dumb. All right, I gotta go get the battery, but I brought my phone charger just in case. Wallet. I brought this because that's what I'm wearing today. Actually, I'm wearing 2 perfumes, but this is just like the one I'm gonna bring. I'm wearing this with the Zelina exclusive today. Lip balm. This is the new one from Laneige. I brought these sunglasses, my Celine ones. These are like the flat top. I think you guys have seen these before, but in case you have not, this is what they look like. Trying to like, so hard to do one hand. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm also just gonna bring my phone, and that's pretty much it. Let me show you all the other perfume that I used. So this is the other perfume that I used today. Zelina. I mixed the two and they smell really good together. So, oh, I have these. I got at Target. Little anklets. I think I'm gonna throw these on. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car. Ah! Sorry, so we got a bunch of balloons for Callie. As you can see here, I can't see shit. I'm gonna just be driving forward today because I can't see behind me. So we're gonna go pick up the cake and then we're gonna go to the park from there. Let me just get my phone so I can put the GPS in because I know where the bakery is, but you know, like sometimes you just need that extra boost of confidence. You know, like I was about to fix my rearview mirror, but like I can't see. So what's the point? I just see balloons. But this balloon is so cute, right? Like it's like one second, y'all. Is the brake on? Oh my god, let me take this camera off the... Hey y'all, so I just got to the park. It is such a nice day today. I'm gonna go look at the area. I'm gonna start bringing stuff over. Maybe I'll just bring some balloons for now. I think I'm gonna bring some balloons with me so I can start putting them up. But it's really like, there's like no one here. I'm gonna take these balloons out and I'll talk to y'all in a second. Hello? I'll talk to you guys later, but we're just set up everything, so I'm at the park. This is where we're doing the party. Excited. Hey guys, so it is a few hours later. It's 1 o'clock, so the party just ended. It was so much fun. Everyone's I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
That's great. I need to get some help. I just scared the mess out of some little kid because as I was going to tell you, I went to open the door. There's a lady and her kid in the big bathroom, you know, the one for like the
handicap, yeah.
And I'm next door, and the door is stuck, and I pulled it, bang, and the kid screamed. And the mom was like, "You're okay, you're okay." I'm like, "Oh my god."
All right, I was just talking to Johnny's mom, but yeah, we are heading home. I was vlogging and your mom came. I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, so Johnny, Clay, and I are going to Target. We're gonna grab Clay a present. It's Callie's birthday. Two presents. It's Callie's birthday, but when you have kids, you always have to get the other one a present. I mean, I don't know about you, but we always do.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's riding. I see him rolling.
Behaving. Riding dirty. So wasn't that the one where they moved the toys over? Or they did? Yeah.
So that's the same way we went to find the Lego.
No more toys, Clay.
Huh?
I took all the toys.
What's this section?
They moved it over there.
Well, they still have some over there.
No, that's not the Lego section.
I know, it's over there.
I think the Legos might still be back there.
Are they? Let's see, there's a lot of stuff. There's a Lego section over here.
Oh, that's where they got the baby Yoda.
Yeah. There's a Yoda.
Yeah.
He's gotta bless them.
If you can, you can.
We're in the wrong Lego section.
You want to go to the other Lego section?
Yeah.
You can put it in the cart if you want.
Yeah.
What you could do is look on the other side.
Okay, we're good. Hey y'all, so it is several hours later. I haven't really vlogged much. I've just been kind of chilling at home. My hair looks crazy, my face looks crazy, but I'm about to try this product that I got from Sephora. I figured I would show you guys how it worked. This is the makeup remover balm from Believe. So I wanted to try it today. Today was a good day. We had a great party. She opened her presents. Like a lot of her classmates came, and a couple friends from like preschool came. She had a great time. Her grandparents and her great-grandparents were there. That is what it looks like here. And I like the ones that come with the spatula because you don't have to get the actual product dirty. The one, ooh, it smells good. Ooh, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, I was not expecting that. This might be the best smelling cleansing balm I've ever tried so far. It smells like a spa. I really like it. And it's actually like really silky, and it's like really moving the makeup around, which is nice. Sometimes they're a little too thick, so your makeup does not like move around as quickly. I like this. I feel like my makeup has all like been shifted and is ready to be taken off. I mean, clearly. Clearly. Well, this is amazing. My makeup stayed on pretty good all day. I put my makeup on at like 7 o'clock this morning, I think it was. I don't know. I don't remember what time it was. I think it was like 7. But it stayed on all day. Even with the mask, it was like still on my face. I'm gonna cleanse my face with this cleanser today. This is from La Roche-Posay. It's a medicated one because my face has been breaking out, so I've been using this one for the past couple days. when I have like bigger breakouts, I use this cleanser because it's medicated. I think it has salicylic acid. Yeah, salicylic acid, just to help me get rid of the breakouts quicker. It kind of like dries them out. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, so tomorrow I start my meal plan. I cannot wait. Well, I think I start tomorrow or Monday. They deliver on both Sundays and Mondays, so it just depends on what day my meal plan gets delivered. So I'm actually gonna wait tomorrow till like 1 o'clock to see if it gets delivered. I'm gonna start the meal plan on Monday most likely. So I'm just gonna, alright, so I finished. I'm gonna take off my little sticky thingy. I have the sticky thing on. Ugh. Whew. These things are amazing. These little bra thingies. For skincare tonight, I'm doing retin-A and I'm gonna do moisturizer. Just keeping it really simple tonight. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to show you guys my food has arrived. It's from Spartan Meals here. This is my meal prep for the week. Already made is the weight loss plan. So I have no idea what's in here. This is my first time doing this. So let's see. I think I'll take everything out, then I'll show you guys each one by one. Alright, so these are the meals. I laid them out here, and I'll go into more detail I guess during the week, because right now I can't really show you guys each one individually I guess, but they gave me 5 different options for breakfast. Well, 5 different days of breakfast. This one I'm most excited to try. It's the Oreo power cakes. I have 2 of these. They also gave me turkey sausage and egg. And then these 2 are also breakfast meals. This one is like their breakfast tacos. So these are my 5 breakfast options. Then over here we have the meals for like lunch and dinner. So I'm just gonna make my own combos I guess, for each day, what I'm gonna have for lunch and what I'm gonna have for dinner. So I put my meals in the fridge. I just took my hair out and Johnny helped me cut some of the thread out, and I'm having grapes. I gotta wash my hair though. Right now I'm editing today's vlog, so I am trying to get it up in about 2 hours. So I'm trying to edit it real quickly. So yeah, I actually got a new light. Let me show y'all. I got this light from Carly Bible's video that she did. Everyone's been buying it, so I was like, you know what, Carly Bible's lighting is always really amazing, so I figured I would just purchase it. I wanted something simple and like doesn't take up too much space. So I'm almost done editing this vlog. I'm just gonna throw in this clip from this memory card, and I'll see you guys. Oh, sorry. And I'll see you guys in next week's vlog. Actually, I'm gonna vlog during the week, me doing the meals, so that way you guys can see each meal and how it goes. I'm gonna track my progress for the week, so stay tuned for that.